hide! Who's that? Look who I found! Bridget, look! Hurry, guys, come on! Woohoo! Hurry, guys, hide! Oh, hi, Vampirina, I'm here. Oh, hi, Bridget, what are you doing here? Well, you called me. You said you needed some help with something? You're right, I do. I started playing hide and seek with the puppy dog pals, and I just can't find them. I need some help. Okay, I can help you. First, can you show me around your tree house? Yes, let me show you everything. Look, let's start with the swing right here. Woohoo! Oh, so watch this. Did you see that? It was so fun. Watch, follow me. Up here, Bridget. How do you get up there? How? I can't jump that high. Here, let me help you. Grab my hand. Woo! I got you. See, Bridget, look at this door on the ground. You stand in the doorway on the ground and then you pull this little button down here and you... Woohoo! You fall down. Hurry, Bridget, come back up. I'm climbing up the slide. Here I come. Ugh. Oh my goodness, look. Look, Vampirina, look who I found. Oh my goodness. It's Hissy from the Puppy Dog Pals. We found you. I guess you did find me. Good job. I was just laying out in the sun. Meow. I'm just gonna go lay out in the sun somewhere else now. Good job, Bridget. Now let's keep looking around and showing you around. This is our fun little patio that goes outside of the tree house. Hurry, look. Let's go down. Let's go down our little door. There you go. You made it that time, Vampirina. Woohoo! Woohoo! Swinging in the swing. All right, Bridget, it's your turn to go down. Bridget, here we go. Woo! There you go. You made it. I think I just want to go down the slide next time. Okay, let's just do that real quick. Okay. Sitting position. Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! All right, your turn, Vampirina. Woo! Good job, you guys. You made it down the slide. Oh, look who I see. Look, it's Poppy. Poppy, what are you playing on? This is the funnest little spinny thing you've ever seen. Look, sit on it with me. Here we go. Whoa! Hold on. Whoa! Oh, Vampirina fell off. Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! Oh no, Poppy fell off. Bridget, you win. You're the last one on it. Woohoo! Wow, that was hard to hold on to, Bridget. Who's that? Look who I found. Bridget, look. Oh my goodness, we found you, Bingo. I had the best hiding place. You took so long to find me. We still haven't found Rolly, Bingo. No way. Where's Rolly? Whoa! Look how cool my collar is. Well, I'm gonna sit on this spinny thing It's so fun in here. Okay, where else can we look, Vampirina? We can go up on the very tip top. Here, let me help fly you. Wrap around my arm. All right, here we go. Woohoo! We made it! Woo! Look who we found up at the very tip top. We found Rolly. Woo! With this cool light-up collar. We found you, Rolly. Good job, you guys. That was fun playing hide and seek. Look, watch this. Woo! Whoa! Your turn, Bridget. Woo! And last is Vampirina. But first, say bye to everyone, Vampirina. Bye, everyone. Thanks for helping me find the puppy dog pals. Bye. Now he got it that time. Yeah. Oh man, look. He ate it. Hey, Paw Patrol, what's up? The shark is really hungry. What? I need food! Feed me! Okay, let me go grab something. Whoa! It's a giant sucker! Check it out! World's largest lollipop! Oh my goodness. Let's open it up. Here we go. First we have to cut this open. Ooh. Look at that lollipop. Oh my goodness, look. It's filled with other lollipops. Ooh. Let's open it up. How do we open that? Oh, there they are. There we go. Giant lollipop. Okay, let's see all these ones we have. Look at all of these ones. It looks like we have 4 different colors and flavors. Woohoo! There we go. Let's open these ones up. Let's start with this one. This one's cherry. Ooh, it's kind of hard to open. Here we go. There we go. There's cherry. Oh look, that's a funny color. It's like a light pink color. Funny. Okay, let's open up our next one. This one's watermelon. Look at this color, it's even a lighter pink. Now let's open up the blue one. There we go, there's our blue one. It's like a turquoise color. All right, let's get our last one. This one's green apple. And look, this one's green. There's our 4 flavors. Look how yummy they look. All right, now let's feed them all to the shark. Okay, what color will we do first? Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This one's our red one. It's cherry flavored. So open wide. All right, And let's put in our cherry sucker. Let's see which one of these. Oh, I was our first two. He ate it. He ate it. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, he ate it real good. Wait, since it was red, why can't I eat it? It's okay, it's okay. We got you another one. There you go. All right, let's get our suckers. These are our flavored suckers. All right. Green sucker, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? All right, let's get our green sucker. This is green apple. And let's feed it to the shark. This time, I hope he doesn't eat it on his first bite. There, he didn't eat it his first bite. Ah! He ate it his second bite. Arr! Oh, let's get out of there. Ugh. Well, he ate that one really fast. Wait, I wanted the green sucker. Okay, Rocky, here. You can have this one. Here you go. Thanks. You're welcome. All right, look, we have 2 colors left. Pink sucker, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is our pink sucker. It's watermelon. Here it is. Open wide, shark. Okay, this time you can't eat it really fast, okay? Let us put your teeth down. Yeah. Oh. No! No, he got it! He got the sucker! Oh my goodness. You are eating these so fast! Oh my goodness. That one's gone. Wait, I wanted the pink sucker. Why didn't you give me the pink sucker? Ah! Wait, Sky, wait, look. We got you a pink sucker. Yay! There you go. No need to cry. Okay, we only have 1 color left. This is blue raspberry. Blue color, where are you? Boop. Here I am, how do you do? Blue. And yep, it is still blue raspberry. So let's get our blue one. Let's feed the shark. Let's hit down the teeth again. Let's start over here. Ooh, look at all those teeth we got. Then come, ooh, not that one, not that one. Oh, nah! Haha, woohoo, he didn't get that time. No, he got it that time. Yeah. Oh man, look, he ate it. Well, those were all the suckers. Wait, that one was blue like me. Why don't I get it? Don't worry, Chase, don't worry. Look, we got you your blue sucker. Alrighty then. Say bye to Paw Patrol and our silly shark eating all of our suckers. Bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.
Time to watch more videos.